Hey guys, Sadie with DEWALT, and today we're checking out the 20V Max XR 10-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. This saw features regenerative braking technology, which redirects energy back into the battery and maximizes runtime. It also has a bevel gear transmission and our cut line LED light system. This saw also features an ergonomic miter lock, a dual bevel functionality, and a high-vis bevel scale right here in the back. It runs on a single 20V battery or our 60V flex volt batteries. This saw has the ability to collect 97% of the dust you create and comes with a dust bag and an adapter, allowing it to hook to any dust collection vacuum that you have while out on a job site. This compact portable saw is built for jobs on the move. With its oversized handle for easy carrying, it's perfect for pros on the go. You can pick this up at acmetools.com or any of Acme's retail branch locations.